the day I can finally share with you everything that was in the Advent kit. If you haven't been following along, all of these products are available today. It is Boxing Day. We have the two collections. We've got Mind Over Matter and Seize the Day and all the awesome things that goes with these collections. Let me start by showing you Mind Over Matter. All the papers. This is Choose Happy, front and back. Trust the process. Aren't they fun? Enjoy every day. This is the Positivity Fussy Cuts. Beautiful piece of paper. It's called Love Life. This one is the Layer Cuts, which is perfect for albums, because if you got the Advent kit, you'll know it's all about our brand new 8x10 album. I'll show you more of that in just one sec. This is the Seize the Day. Let me show you through these pieces of paper. Possibilities. Take a breath. Motivated Fussy Cuts. Think Happy Thoughts. Another just beautiful paper. And the Layered Fussy Cuts, which is also great for the albums. And of course the 12x12. So they are the two 12x12 collections. They both are slightly smaller than our usual collections. They just come with 6 designs and 12 papers in them. We also have the creative cuts of both collections and the 6x6 collection packs. We also have a Vellum creative cuts to go with them. Of course, the album, and there are album inserts. There's extra album inserts, so you've got different sizes. These are the ones that come in the album, but you'll see we have got pack 1. See the different shapes and sizes in there, and this is a pack 2. Okay, so they are available, and these will be a standard product. We have got these Vellum album inserts, and if you love these, you'll be very excited. We have got a different set coming with our January collection releasing on the 1st, so you can mix that up to match. Our January collection was actually called Summer Holiday, and you're going to love that. There are 2 dies that came with the kit, the Advent kit. There's this one, which is the Stacked Stars, and our tiny alphabet, lowercase alphabet. It is so cute. Pocket packs. These are awesome, and if you love these, yes, there's going to be some more coming. In fact, the next set coming will be available in January for our January kit. We'll show you more of that on the 1st. Tassels, and these actually weren't in the kit, but you can actually get thread to match the tassels if you like stitching. And we have designed this fabulous die to go with the album. So the full collection, because I'm sure I've missed some stuff, is now on our website. It's available on Boxing Day. You can also purchase this from your favourite Uniquely Creative stockist. We shipped all that out to them before the break so that they will have it in store for when they open. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoy this bonus release on Boxing Day. Come back on the 1st of January because you are going to love the new summer holiday collection we are releasing on the 1st. Have a great New Year, guys. Talk to you in the new year. See ya.